Best practices when caring for older persons recommends a multidisciplinary approach to caring for different long-term conditions such as falls, frailty, loneliness, and mental illness. The AssessPatients Care Planning Program provides the ability to adequately assess their varying needs while efficiently tracking and preparing for possible outcomes to ensure quality of care. In this video, we walk you through our secure software to demonstrate how this platform will positively impact your day-to-day operations, making processes more seamless, and how it will allow you to evaluate the effectiveness of your care programs. The homepage of AssessPatients program provides you with an overview of the recent activity and latest information for the people you care for. From there, using the menu located on the left-hand side, you can navigate to specific features such as assessments, outcomes, alerts, and analysis. We are looking after Melissa McCarthy, so let's start with a look at her care profile where we can see her latest assessments and outcomes. Now, let's complete an assessment of any dementia-related needs that Melissa may require. Essentially, the assessments feature allows you to complete intelligent online questionnaires to determine specific long-term care requirements of the older person. The AssessPatients platform is designed to support a multidisciplinary approach to long-term care needs. So, the assessments page provides you with a view of all of the different multidisciplinary care assessments used in your care program. From here, you can either complete a new assessment for an older person, or you can view results of previously conducted assessments for each person. Let's navigate through both options. We'll begin with the completion of a new assessment. By clicking the down arrow to the right of the page, select the assessment you would like to complete. In this demo, we have included only 3 assessments: falls, dementia, and multifactorial. However, the solution can cater to any number of assessments according to your care program. Let's conduct a dementia assessment for Melissa. For each field, Melissa will be rated on a scale of 0 to 3 based on her ability to conduct each activity. The score is calculated and the assessment submitted. This then navigates to the assessment results page, where an overall rating of the older person's risk of the condition is available. Let's now return to the assessment's main page to view an assessment history. We will review Michael Branson's history by clicking the View History button beneath his name. As seen here, this provides us a report of the previously conducted assessments for Michael, noting the date completed, the assessment type, and his assessment score. By clicking on the View button near the score, a report of the ratings for each field within the assessment can be viewed. Let us now move to AssessPatients Outcomes feature. The care outcomes are based on the GROW approach to setting goals to reflect where the person's care needs are at present and what they want to achieve. As with the assessments feature in our platform, it is possible to both view existing care outcomes and create new ones. Let us view an existing outcome for John Smith by selecting View. Here, we are able to ascertain what areas have currently been reviewed and the specific goal for the older person. As seen here, a falls outcome has been conducted for John with a goal to improve his coordination to a point where he feels more stable. The Outcomes feature gives information as to what is currently happening, the options available, the action plan, and the next review date. As necessary, these fields can be updated as the older person's condition progresses or their care plan changes by selecting the Edit button. Now, we'll create a new outcome for Melissa. Reflecting the multidisciplinary approach, outcomes can be created across a number of areas. In this demo, falls, dementia, diabetes. The AssessPatients platform can be configured by the user to include different categories of care outcomes based on the care pathway in use. We'll conduct a falls outcome for Melissa. Now we review AssessPatients' Alerts feature. The Alerts feature allows you to track any event that may happen to a person and who in the care team is to be alerted. Through this feature, online and email updates are immediately sent to the designated care team member if a particular event occurs. As with assessments, it is possible to view existing agreed alerts and create new ones. Let us create a new alert for Melissa. In this demo, the following alert scenario are included in the platform. If a fall happens, if there is a drop-off in taking medication, or if the older person's risk level changes. However, additional types of alerts can be added to AssessPatients software to cover different types of scenarios. In this example, we are setting an alert for all of the team if Melissa's falls risk profile changes. Let's move on to the Planning Care feature. The Planning Care feature provides information related to all people being cared for, as well as the care team professionals and managers. As you can see in this sample, each person's profile leads to the generation of a full report, inclusive of the latest and previous care assessments, all agreed outcomes, and a recent activity log. Now we take a look at the Analysis feature. The Analysis feature provides access to a number of intelligent dashboards ranging from an overview of the care risk profiles of all of the people under your care to dashboards which provide an overview of your organization's care operations. The dashboards help you to visualize and interpret the data. As with other aspects of the platform, different dashboards based on different service level metrics can be viewed. The Risk Profiles Analysis dashboards presents holistic data regarding people in your care program. Let us now take a quick look at the Dementia Care Risk Profile. As you can see here, the bar graph at the top of the page gives an indication as to the total number of persons who have no risk of dementia, as opposed to the total number of persons who have a high risk of dementia. Given the impact of one long-term condition on another, we have included data on falls in the dementia dashboard. Meanwhile, under the Care Program Profile in the Analysis section, overall insight into the makeup of the care team, as well as the total number of each assessment conducted, can be viewed. Finally, we have spoken about the ability to change the solution to support your particular care pathway. That's where the admin function comes in. We have included a small amount of the features in this demo, but as you can see, nominated users have the ability to change different aspects of the program, such as adding new users or care professionals, and changing what care assessments are to be included in the assessment care function. For more information about AssessPatients' care planning program, please contact us at info@AssessPatients.com.